What's the meaning of crush barrier? Crush barrier. Crush barrier.
Crush barrier. Crush barrier. A crush barrier is a physical barrier used to separate a crowd from the playing area or field, typically in sports stadiums or concert venues. Its purpose is to prevent fans from invading the space and potentially causing harm to themselves or the performers. In some unfortunate cases, poorly designed or maintained crush barriers have caused injuries or even fatalities due to the crushing force of large crowds. As such, much attention has been paid to improving the safety standards for crush barriers in recent years.